Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your direct deposit form on PayPal. So this is going to be particularly useful for anyone who wants to say get some direct deposits instantly put into their PayPal account, usually from employers, or maybe you just want to go ahead and establish some transfer funds straight into your PayPal account. Either way, this video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way until the end to learn how to do this. So first, what you're going to do is go into your PayPal account, but even so, before you do make sure that your PayPal account is up to date and is the latest version. Make sure to go into the App Store and make sure to go into the Google Play Store and go ahead and update it. Next, what we're going to do is access the account. And now on the upper left hand side, you're going to see this hamburger icon. Once you click on that hamburger icon, you're going to see this option that says direct deposit. And then once you click direct deposit, you're going to see this prompt that says fill out direct deposit form. So here's where you're going to follow a series of prompts. You need to enter your employer's or agency's name. You need to go ahead and establish how much you want to add from each paycheck. Then you need to add your e-signature and then review the form and then submit the form. So again, the direct deposit form is located basically within a direct deposit button right over here. So this right here is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and find your direct deposit form on PayPal. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.